Assalamualaikum. This is a short tutorial on how to add your students in your respective teams. Over here, this is the main interface for teams. I've selected the tab for teams. Right, this is the teams application for Windows. Even for the phone, it's the same thing. All you have to do is to go to teams, select your respective team. For me, which is grade 9. But currently, I'm trying to add some of the students from grade 8 because their IDs were not working previously. So I'm going to give it a try. So over here you can see more options, right? These three dots. You just click that, and over here you can see manage teams, right? Once you do that, you will find that there's an option called add members. Over here you can see the owners. Owners are all the people who can take classes within this specific team. Obviously these owners are created by the administration, so we can only add students being teachers, right? So over here we can add a member. Let's say I want to search for a student which I was not able to add before. So his name is Subhan Munir, right? So I can search him by name if I can find, and make sure if you search by name, the first two digits are supposed to be your campus number, which is 90, right? In this registration number or the admission number of the student, right? 90 is the campus, which is the Repton campus. If you're searching by name, more appropriately, you can always search with the ID number to have the exact match, right? This removes any ambiguity of a student, adding a student from a different campus, right? So let's add this over here, and again something went wrong. So this means this ID is currently still under process. It might get working by the end of the day, or maybe tomorrow, inshallah. So we can add him later on, but at this moment I cannot add this student, right? Most of the teachers are also facing this problem, so don't worry. These IDs will start working by the end of the day today, or probably early in the morning tomorrow, right? So if you want to add any other candidate, you can keep trying other candidates, and you can add them into respective teams. As you can see, I've added other candidates over here. Ayan, Hassan, Abdul Rafi, Shahid. So I added them using their registration numbers over here, and I simply close this window once I've added their student members. Right now, the second question is how you can make channels. Over here you can see there are 8 hidden channels, right? In grade 9 there are 7 other hidden channels. I'm going to see which other channel is missing. Let's say over here the Islamic channel is missing, right? So any class teacher can make channels in their team. All you have to do is to simply add a channel, right? Over here you can specify the name. Let's say Islamiyat is missing, so you put it over there, standard, accessible to everyone and on the team. So you have to keep this option on, and automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list, right? I won't turn it on because all the owners will also get the notification, which probably you don't want to do, right? So simply keep this option off and simply add the channel, and then you're going to see another channel being created in your teams, right? So if the Islamic teacher is supposed to take the classes, then he or she is supposed to take their classes in their respective channel. Please do not initiate any classes within the general channel, right? Make sure you're always in your specific channel to make conduct your classes, right? Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Allah Hafiz.